There's our good friend Jazz again. There she is. Let's have a peek at what he's working on here. It's always something. Let's see here. Let's see, there he is. And as you can see, he's hard at it again. He's always hard at it, I tell you. You're replacing a what again, sir?
The oil pressure sender switch on a 2012 Dodge Journey 3.6 V6 engine. And they put this rascal underneath the intake.
Good Lord.
And it's way back in here, so once you get the air box out, some of the Caravans, you actually have to remove the whole battery tray and get access to that, but it is in there. Sick of it!
Right. There's our good friend Mike over there. He's taking care of business as usual. Looks like it could be a 3-hour job or something. It's hard to say.
3 weeks. You know why they call these a trouble light? Because the trouble with them, they won't go in the right place. Yeah, they roll down on the floor. As soon as you bump them, you chase them around, you say, son of a...
More trouble than what they're worth, huh?
More trouble than what they're worth.
Terry's not hard-headed. He's not hard-headed. He's not stubborn. He gets down, takes care of business with his trouble light.
A trouble light.
You said that was an oil pressure what again?
Oil pressure switch. I'm sick! Oh, gosh, this wire loom is in the flippin' way.
Absolutely, folks. You just don't have a clue what goes on with these vehicles nowadays. I heard, I don't know if you did, Terry, that Ford and Avon's moving to Mexico. Did you hear about that?
I did not.
Yeah, that's the latest. I heard that this morning.
There we go. Oh, there we go.
You got
See
it
this
out?
trouble light? See what I'm saying? The
Yep.
freaking thing will not stay in place. Instead of having a round base, a square base, or rectangular base, or a triangular base, so it doesn't roll.
Right.
But they put them round. That's why they call it a trouble light. Because the trouble with this light is it won't stay where you want it.
I understand.
No, you don't understand. You're not in the know.
No, you're right. I'm not. I don't know.
Well, I like to know who knows.
Bruno knows. That's my cat. Let's have a look at that once.
Ta-da. Okay, so what goes on is this sends, there's a little diaphragm, little spring in there, and it makes contact with a switch and sends information up to the dash gauge whether we have oil pressure or not. When these start to fail, it will cause a check engine light to come on, which is a fault code.
What code was that?
Code Z.
Seriously?
No, I don't.
I figured you just made that up.
I can't recall at the moment, but I will look that up. And so anyhow, the remedy is to replace the oil pressure switch. And you can see that I had to pull the air box out of the way, and this air filter
Looks filthy.
Lacking some regular maintenance.
It sure
So
does.
we'll take care of that while this is apart and make this customer happy. So That's it.
You're here to please.
I am. It's full service. I'm sick of it!
And when I pull your chain, you bark.